Does that thing leak? Hey, what happened?
I gotta pee big time, buddy.
No.
Yeah.
What happened?
It doesn't. It shouldn't. I don't think. I fixed the oil leak. It doesn't leak oil.
I'm just teasing. It's fucking shocking.
We ran into a car show like halfway up. We were cruising through this town, and there's a car show. And
so you just like pulled over and started showing your car?
Yeah, I got to. I fucking stopped, and like there's this cool rat rod truck I wanted to look at, and then we walked like halfway down. And I was like, we don't have time. And then we're coming back, and I got in my truck. I looked in my mirror, and I was like, there's a fucking S10 behind me. So if I got back out, and Buddy was like at Van Fest earlier this year, like parked just a little ways down from me. So then we're shooting the shit for like 10 minutes or whatever.
Once we chalk the line and we measure over, you know, we'll have to like, you know, figure it out, right? Get this fucking piece of angler up there, get one of those fucking rods up there, get, you know, measure the sheet metal so that the outside of the wall isn't further out than that fucking lip, right?
Yeah.
Because I also have to bolt it. Like once we get these things stood up, there's all these fucking bolts going all the way around. So it's like everywhere where there's a leg, I gotta like make a little thing with a hole in it and then this and that and then weld it on and put a bolt on it. So like the top of the wall, you know, the top of each stick, but I'm only gonna have one upright for every joint of the sheet metal. So the sheet metal is like 32 inches wide or something. So it'll be like 32, no, because I'm gonna cut them and do two foot assholes all the way across. Okay. So I'll have to cut a whole bunch of pieces and weld them in, right?
Okay.
So I need fucking holding monkeys, cutting monkeys, grinding monkeys.
Yeah, that's a big fucking situation. Is there more people coming for this?
Jim and your buddy.
Yeah, hopefully he shows up. He texted me, or I messaged him. He was on fucking
Grinder. I thought she was way more unsquare than that, so that's handy. Might work, you know what I mean? friggin' antlers. There's some tusks quick. I'll have to go out and have a look-see. I'm gonna level that back wall and then we can start figuring out different shits. Well, it's not too bad for an afterwards. Eh? Got a plan anywhere. It's semi-working. It shouldn't. I mean, it shouldn't just crack right off there anyway. Good Lord. But yeah, I'll have to come back out tomorrow. We're losing daylight. Something drastic. Look at the sun sitting inwood. Holy, just my juice stick. But yeah, we got to get on the lights in the shop now. I never heard one of these things blow like that, but it was like pops. Eh? But yeah, so now we got even one less light in the shop, so that's great. Really see really good, but yeah, I'll have to pull the pump out of this. I don't know what's going on. Timing's off big time. Have to fix it. That, the transmission, and you know, a couple little Mickey Mouse things, wiring and stuff, headlights and whatnot. But yeah, got 4 more pieces of this left. I got a couple arse calls, so I need, you know, 2, 7, this and that. Yeah, so we just have enough, so that's good. I mean, I don't need a bunch of extra shit laying around. I'm trying to get rid of everything. Anybody needs some stuff? I got lots. Eh? I got lots. Come have a look. We're shopping. The good stuff. Getting rid of her. Anyways, smoke cigarettes.